Hi all, how's everybody doing? Hope you had a great day, or that you're going to have a great day, because that's also possible. So yeah, welcome to another stream, a Wednesday stream with Roblox Studio. Now, I was actually planning to stream yesterday, but my provider that had sadly some issues, and I can tell those are not really fun. I had the 6 MB upload speed and just 10 MBs download speed, so that was not very much. So I decided not to stream because, yeah, in game already takes 6 MBs for streaming up. Um, yeah, that was no fun. So yeah, but I'm back. I'm here, and yeah, we're going to work today on the UI. And like I said, guys, it's going to be really a fun evening. I really need to have a ChatGTP with me, or Le Chat. I want to say that because those I actually need today, and so everything will be all right, I think. But yeah. Also, I still have this one, so that will be fine. Uh, Let me put my light a little bit more up. Yeah, that's better. I was kind of looking into the dark, you know. So, yeah, how was your day, guys? Was everything okay? Because I mean, my day was a sunny day. That was crazy, man, and a relaxed day too. I was that was very easy actually what I was doing. So let's go and let's see what we can do. Wow, my speed is very, very fast at the moment. Camera speed, oh yeah, that's fine. Simply fine. So let's see that everything is fine. I had some issues, what I tried to fix actually with my streamer bot, with the streamer bot one, but I don't know, man. I just re-downloaded the bot and yeah, it works again. No clue what happened. I couldn't launch the chat over there. So what we're going to do today is actually we're going to work when you press on that on the help. Yeah, you actually will disappear. I think I did that too on this one, or not. The skills is really a big one, so I'm not going to do that. That is really a big one, so I'm not going to do that one. But yeah, overall, yeah, it's going to be all right. And yeah, basically saying we actually need to alter this code for moving between boards or frames even. Because then we have a different frame where we need to go to. So I actually really need to find a way how to do that. But actually, I will fire this up. Hold on. I actually will do everything in here. Because that one was actually building the right stuff. And I kind of like that, if you want to say it like that. So I kind of like the way how everything is. Because I will do this away. Because I really like that the clouds are moving right now. And yeah, I actually really love that feature what they added. You can see it right here in the screen. Actually, you see really good when you look over the rocks. So I really like that one a lot. So I'm quite happy with the results. Um, yeah, I'm really happy with the results. So yeah, it's really nice. And like I said, I really like it. But today, like I said, we're going to work on the help menu, and we're going to write a ton of stuff there. Um, I'm not sure how I'm going to do it, but you know, it's okay. You know, it's okay. Everything will be all right. You know, everything will be all right. We need to be done something, you know. So let's go to the start UI, and we need to go to the help one, and we need to add a frame. That's the back frame. We're going to add a few frames there. So let's like make one, two, and we're going to have a third. Can I say that? 1, 2, 3, yes. I can definitely say that. So one we are actually calling the background. So I actually want to do that in there. Let's make it quite big because we're going to add some information in there. So we make that kind of like this up in here in the air. We're gonna write a ton of stuff in there, so that's cool, I think. It's also, yeah, you know, sometimes it's always a lot of work, I can tell you that, but where's the middle? There? Oh, I thought I was not in the middle, but okay. So let's put these on the side. Let's put these on the side for now. We're going to work a little bit on this one there. We're going to put that in here. We also can make this a little bit more up, filling into the screen. And that's a big piece of a white background. And it's only a background, so I don't mind what they are doing there. It's a background, but we're going to work in there. Everything will be in there in the main. Actually, I will do it differently. I'm going to rename this the main frame. I think I will call it like that. Because I actually want to do some borders, but that's not possible. So white background color. I don't want to have that. I don't want to make a soothing, not too crazy thing in there. That's I want to work with blue. Blue has always a nice gradient. Although I'm going to have buttons with blue, so we going to make it a little bit more, yeah, towards the purple side. I think I will do this. I don't know. I don't like the color. Maybe a little bit greenish. That's actually wrong. Why I'm saying that is it's not the right color for a screen for information. I mean, I like the purple, really. That looks quite good. I might keep that. What I'm going to do in here, I actually gonna make two of those versions. I'm actually going to copy this. And the reason is, yeah, I'm actually going to make more things out of it, and I was kind of forgotten what I'm going to do. What I'm thinking, I don't know. What is the thing again? Round radius. Where is that thing? Come on, dude. Oh, corner. Oops. That was the thing. 7, 9, 1. All right. 6, 20. That is quite nice. Let's do 25. That's a nice round number, is it? Now I'm going to play with this, but I'm actually going to copy this one. The reason is I'm going to put that here inside. And I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. Alright. That's wrong. Um, 14 less, so that's... I'm very good with counting these days. 6, 4... Let's make a little bit more darker in there. Can I not make this centered in here? Because that will be awesome. Alright. Back, background. That looks quite nice, I'll be honest. Layout order is this 2? No, that's not correct. I must say, that looks quite nice. That looks fucked up. I don't want to have that. All right. I mean, let's delete these. Because now we're going to work in the mainframe. This is the background, so I don't matter what this is. I still missed one thing in there. Also, that needs to be a part of the mainframe. Need to make another part. Kind of interesting. Let's call this divider. I just don't need that much. Divider, that's basically what it is. Let's make, no, hold on. What am I doing wrong there is very simple. Duplicate. I don't know that this is the solution, but you know. But it works. Don't ask me how. It works. Backboard 1. Uh, I think this one looks good, I think, is it? I want to use black, but, you know. Hey, Wilbur. What game I'm making is, I'm making, I want to say a nice game, but it is. I'm actually gonna make an FPS arena fighting game. So you guys can team up and just having fun fighting against other people. That's kind of what I'm doing. And then I have 1 versus 1, 2 versus 2, 5 versus 5. With capture the flag. Also 4 versus 4. Bazooka Frenzy. So you also make games? Hey, that's always nice to hear that. You know, games is actually really fun. People say, no, it's not great. And I'm kind of like, you like it? Come on. You like it? Don't be shy. No, I like making games, and if I see how nice it is how to make things, it's okay. I can live with that with a lot of things. I do not. Well, I know coding, but Lua coding is for me a little bit abracadabra, if you want to say it like that. I don't really like it, if I be honest. It's also you need to know a lot, and that's what holds me back. Okay, I know nothing about it. I know how to alter it, and I know when I'm making a mistake, but that's it basically. I mean, I kind of put it a little bit on another other way. When I'm making a mistake, I might I always knew where it was, but I don't know how to fix those. I use ChatGTP, and gladly I have some good friends of mine. Yeah, that actually coding with me if I ask them, but they are kind of busy right now with school exams and whatnot. So I'm not disturbing. ChatGTP is actually really nice. Le Chat is also really nice. I always say every chat engine has something good, good in them. You know what I'm saying? Everything has something that you say, okay, well, I didn't know that. You know? And that's what people really forget time to time. Um, and that's a shame, basically. Because, like I said, there are really some good chat things in there. Well, sometimes I want to struggle myself. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm also looking soon something in there for the skills. I'm looking something for that. I want to make some cool element in the game. Kind of cool element. But I'm also kind of new to UI design, but I try to see what I'm doing and that I'm doing on the correct way. Because that's the most important thing. um, yeah, for now, I just want to make a simple design, you know what I'm saying? Just making it correct, if you want to say it like that. I must say, I actually really like this game engine a lot. Let me put that a little bit more down. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. I made a mistake. I see. I thought I did it good. Oh no, I just make a change. Yeah, that looks better. I must say, I kind of like doing this, and because I use it only for consoles and whatnot, it's all right. Can I move this? All right, I see already. That's fucked up. Is there a way to move this? I mean, to pick it up? Oh, it's only for controller for consoles and it's only for consoles and PC. So it is always on a big screen. So I'm not very very interactable. Oh yeah, yeah. Ah, that's better. If this is in the middle, I'm nuts. How can that be in the middle? Ah, I thought I had actually. Let me bring that in. Uh, did I forgot that? Did I really forgot that? Yeah, I think I know that one. I have it here too. Um, I cannot find it. You mean this? Yep, that's the one. That's crazy. I mean, I actually center this. Okay. Yes, sir. What? Do I need to do it on everything? No, I mean, oh, okay. So I will select everything in here. This? That's it? That was it? Am I still able to move it? I mean, oh, yeah, I've got something here. I forgot this guy. Hold on. Yeah, I really want to center it because that sucks, man. This was kind of weird. This is not centered. How is this at the center? This is center. This is absolute center, guys. No, this is okay. Look. No. On the S? That's strange. yeah, this is more middle. Those are fine. I tested it. Those scale pretty nice. I mean, if you let's be honest, PC users these days they have huge screens. Even the even people on the consoles are like, "Hey man, I want a big TV. I want to smash it over there, man." You know what I'm saying? Kind of crazy how that. Yeah, that makes more sense. Yeah, this is a lot better because I will tell you a thing. Look, I actually will show you that. Let's make Windows 2. No, not toolbox. I hate that one. Because as you see, it scales perfectly. You see it? So everything is fine there. Because it's just a small box. If it is indeed this big, I can understand it. But, you know, I must be honest. It's you know, it's okay. I need to move this a little bit. Oh fuck, a little bit more up. Ah, Twitchy. Hey, my day was pretty good. How is your day going? I am actually building an FPS game. Well, you have different type of arenas what you can join with friends or just other players, like 1 versus 1, 2 versus 2, 4 versus 4. Capture the flank. That is 5 versus 5. And a bazooka frenzy. That is 4 versus 4. And yes, you shoot with a bazooka. And the closer you are, the faster the bazooka is shooting. So that's quite nice. Hey, that's good to hear, man. That your day is doing good. Are you making a golf game, Wilbur? Oh yeah, I can actually imagine about that, man. With those things. All right, I love this. I'm keeping this. I love it. Background transparency can go to this one. Am I in Arizona? No, I'm not an American, buddy. I'm from Europe, the Netherlands. 500 lines of code? Holy mo. That sounds a lot, man. But yeah, Twitch, Jay. I'm not really bad with English. I'm just, I have how you say, a special accent. A touch in my voice. Yeah, if you see me looking outside the frame, yeah, that's actually where my chat is. So it's it's not that I say, okay, man, it's there. All right. I will tell you, the Netherlands is really nice. It's only at the moment the government is really sucks. But that's the only thing what I say about the Netherlands. So, let's make buttons in there and the information what I need to have. There's there's so much that I need to do in here. It's just crazy. It's just nuts, guys. But I know that I need to make another frame because I work with frames because you can nicely align them in there. You know, this is what I always say about a lot of stuff, and I don't want to be that political, but I want to. I'm kind of avoiding that thing, but I you cannot really deny. Yeah, you know, can't really deny what's actually happening these days. I thank you for your follow, Luciano. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. All right, let's drop a frame in there. Just a frame, nothing more. It's already in there. Let's add a constraint already, and let's add do that position scale and scale. Hey, that's actually really nice to read that. I like when people doing well these days. Otherwise, it is just, it's yeah, something. I need to go up one thing. Layout order 1, 2, 5, -1. Oh, wait. I'm doing it wrong. It's the C index. And I'm still doing it wrong. There it is. Now you're wondering, what is the guy doing? Well, I need to have a position. And I need to have a place where I don't need that. Oh. Wait. Oh, wait. Okay. I kind of forgot that. What's this? Did that duplicate it? No way. Fuck that. Hold on, man. I feel kinda delete. Thanks, man. I, guys, I was really like, what the am I doing there? I don't want to make it too big. Still want to have a little bit of space on the end. Kind of like that. It's kind of an help thing. So the thing is, what I want to do is I have actually I actually have something in here. It is a menu controller, and the only thing what I need to change is that it's actually going to the other frame, and I just need to name the frame for that where he can go to. And in here it says basically on the D-pad, that's on the teleport one, because you can use the gamepad as well, or a controller. You can go up and down, but now I want actually that you press left and right to go to the other frame. That is not easy. So I need to see how I'm going to do that with in between. It's just reading, so it's not really doing anything. And yeah, with the B button, you can actually close it. So that's kind of what I'm aiming at. Is it easy? Not really. It's the first time that I actually dive into UI design. And this complex. I mean, never thought it was so many things what I need to create for just a simple thing. I mean, that's crazy. Just crazy. You know? It's really crazy. It's really crazy. I mean, this called the button frame. Here is a button frame. Why I did that button frame. And I have another one. That's the read frame, the text frame. But I think I will do differently over there because you have different text in there. So I need to see how I'm going to do that over there. We love this. I actually love this stuff. And I really do. So let's make it transparent. Well, I'm here anyway. Scale. And I need to add a string. And now it's actually really good. I like it. So many things. Yeah. The thing is, what I wanted to do, I have a few things in here. I had the teleport one. I have the teleport one. I have the skills, so you can buy or select your skills. And that really needs some events because I also need to make a skill. Then you can assign that to your skill bar. You have 2 skills what you can add. So, but you can actually choose only 2 skills what you can take with you to the battleground. So there are a ton of things what I need to do for making that to work. I'm very happy about that. I will make it very, very easy, man. Because the only thing what I do, and I will tell you guys my system. It's very easy. When you are new, you start with basically no skills. You just shoot and you you hope you win. When you win, you get 3 points. When you lose, you get 1 point. and there is currency attached to that. And with that currency, what you win, can you unlock skills in this shop? Uh, but if you are become a little bit too overpowered, what you bring to the battleground, you will actually be matched with the players that has one or the same skills. If you are a new player, you will never see those guys until they unequip it. Because I don't want to making an overpowered game. I want to have a balanced game that people actually enjoy the game. That is kind of what I'm trying to do here. And I will tell you, that's a pain in the ass to create. So that is kind of what I'm trying to do here. Just making a balanced game because I know it from another games what I saw and played in Roblox. They did it actually no change at all. The other guy was fast as hell. Somebody was throwing knives of almost through walls. It was really a bad design, and I'm kind of like, I don't want to do that. I want to make a change in here as a game dev. I just want to make that people having fun, that people can actually enjoy the game. Um, that's kind of what I want to do, and I found it really important for everybody to have fun. And on this way, I can say, okay, if you wanna play with your friends and they're just starting, you are going to help them, that's it basically. So yeah, what I was doing, I kind of forgot what I was doing. Uh, so I have a couple of. I need to use a game. I need to really have notepad. Do I need notepad? I can also do it with to-do list. I can also do it with this aura. Let's no new task, no. Game modes we have so far. Did I really? There it is. And let's drag that in here. So, at the description, the game modes what we have so far in the game. So I can make an order. 1 versus 1, 2 versus 2. I don't have 3. I don't want to do that. 4 versus 4. 5 versus 5. And that is capture the flag. And I have Bazooka Frenzy. So I have a couple of. Hey, Lloyd. Hi there. How's everybody doing there? So I have this. We are a small community, still a little bit growing bit by bit. But that's it basically. So I need to have. I still forgot to count. I'm very good with counting. 5 buttons for now. Known bugs. I need to have that one too. And an introduction, of course, because you're going to be there on the page. So I need to have 5, 6, let's say 7 of those. Welcome, man. Welcome to the place. So it's not easy. I will tell you that. I'm kind of thinking of a lot of stuff right now. I'm just really thinking of something. I'm just thinking. Did I have the correct size for that? I don't know. When only way to find out is just typing all the 7 stuff. It's just a text button. Let's put this one. Let's scale this one for a bit. VC with me. And why is that? Because I don't do VC while streaming. Oh, this is nice. Thank you, man. Well, Lloyd, very simple is I'm not doing work at the moment for with other developers because I'm just making stuff now with this. So that's the reason, buddy. It's not that I don't want to do anything, but I'm really busy with yeah, with making something cool about this one. I always forgot. And it's not that I don't want to do it, but yeah, I'm still learning my stuff in here on what I'm doing here. So that's kind of the reason. There's the intro button. That's kind of how I call it. I'm actually planning to make a little tutorial on how to do it in Roblox Studio. Because basically what you need to know is the fundamentals. If you know the fundamental of mapping, basically you are good to go. If you're just starting, it is really overwhelming on what you need to do. While it is actually pretty easy, if you know it. Hey man, if you have time tomorrow evening, I will help you out, buddy. No wonders. Then I actually turn the cam on, and then I actually will help you out and show you some basic stuff if you want to. Just uh, just off stream if you want to say it like that. Oh, but I'm also going to make a little series on how to make a game. Um, I actually hold on. I think I can actually help you out now. Let me see something, buddy. Roblox. Let me see. I have two things for you. I have. Oh wait, that's is not really that good. Hold on, hold on, buddy. I'll actually will help you. Uh, I have this one for you, and I have. Actually, I have a better one. And I have this for you, man. This is a complete everything. There you go, buddy. There you go, buddy. Kind of from the same person, but unknown bugs. What is this one? Basically, you search on Google, and then you just I need to have a your own kingdom roleplay. If you want to make those stuff, you actually really need to have a team, some coders, some visual, some other stuff as well. So yeah, you actually need to make a team, and that costs money. That is always being the thing. Okay. Okay. You know, small steps, buddy. I will tell you also why. A game is not made in just 1 week. It takes, if you want to make a good game, it takes a couple of years or a year at least. And then you even need to put a feedback on from the developers and players even in your account to to fix a lot of stuff like in your world that you make something, you know, like a bridge, and it is not really functioning, you know, like it intended to. So yeah, there are stuff always happening in game development world. So it's really really important to have something, you know, in the background that you say, okay, well, I actually need to need to keep my eyes on that, you know. So there's a lot of stuff what people forget what you need as a group. It's okay. I mean, we you know, we need to start somewhere. But yeah, it's really important to know what you are doing. Um, because that make stuff a lot easier if you want to point it out like this. Um, yeah. And I'm an easy guy with this that type of stuff. I mean, I kind of crazy too with my ambitions, but I always just dream big, and that's always what I do. What you need to do is, do you have a game plan? The game plan where you actually describe everything in details what you're after. the storyline, the classes, what you're going to use, what type game it is. It is just a hack and slash, you know, a swinger with a sword and that kind of crap. Is it with shooting? Is it an FPS game? Uh, is it a puzzle game? Is it a role playing game from above? Is it a 3D one? Is it two dimensional? Everything what you want to put into the game, you really need to put it in that file. Even when you make a system, the system you already need to have a blueprint for making that in your game's concept. So you know, okay, I have written that down. I wrote it down, and I can look back on what I want. If you have that, then you can go to the next step. Then you can go to Roblox and say Roblox Studio and just think, okay, what do I need? What do I need as plugins? What do I need for people? What do I'm looking for? Um, and also search them up on YouTube or on Google. How to do this? How to do that? Even it's just little baby steps. Go for it. Make it easy. Don't go too fast because if you go fast with development, then you're making mistakes, and that's kind of what I try to teach people as a new person for jumping in. Don't go too hasty into game design because game development because you really just need to, you know, uh, yeah, you need to know first things, and that's kind of how I did it too. Baby steps. Just make a world. Just make a house, for example. Read books. Read gardening books. Read architecture books. Learn from that. That's that's very where you learn from. Look outside how you build things. Construction. That's basically what it is. If you understand those things, then you are good to go. So yeah, that's basically what I want to give to you. It's really important to what you're willing to go for, you know. Um. So yeah. So for me, I'm actually planning to build soon a map again after I do the UI stuff again. So you can peek a little bit around in the kitchen how you build stuff a little bit later on. But yeah, and in the meanwhile, I'll just say, you know, write that file. Know what you are doing. Know what you are going for. Just make that game file. Make that text file. Because you really need to have that. You know, with enemies and that kind of things. You need to know animation, everything like that. Uh, so it's not always an easy thing to start with, but you need to have a game plan. You did? You did that? Oh, thank you, man. Accept it. You know, I have a lot of followers. I mean, I start to get more people in there. It's kind of funny though. But I'm really a normal person that just enjoy making in game. I'm not really a Roblox guru. I mean, I'm just a guy that enjoy making games. I will tell you, I'm still a beginner in a lot of stuff, but I just use my common sense. You know what I'm saying? That's basically what I'm doing. Using the common sense, what you're making, and then everything will be just fine. You know. I'm actually not done there. I noticed. I kind of like this clean look. Not too fancy, not too crazy, not that shitty. Um, it looks kind of good, I think. I'm fine with the round corner. Quite happy with that. Now I need to see what color I actually need to do. Let's select everything, by the way. That's also what I say, guys. You can actually select everything of a button if you need an easy thing for that. Like a background color, for example. You can just click it. And you do it just in one button. And you can change it on everything, basically. It's still in development, so no. No, I don't have anybody yet, but at the moment I really need to make it still. So yeah. I have a couple, yeah. So that's kind of nice. I want to put the divider a little bit more away. Thank you for the follow, man. And your name is kinda that I say. Okay, well. Alright. That looks a little bit better. Although I can go a little bit to the other side. Darn it. No. That's actually a nice question. I will actually explain that to you. Soon we have soon. After I do the UI for this map, I'm actually planning for making actually yeah, that you can a test day. I will make then a special channel in my Discord community server, where you can sign up for which mode you are interested in for testing, and that kind of stuff. And then I will make different voice chat chambers, rooms, where people can join. But yeah, I will probably will be the guy that just follow everybody somewhere that somebody is streaming on there, and yeah, when there is a mistake, and I can actually watch it and see. Okay, well, we need to fix that. So I plan a lot of stuff in there for yeah, for the testing phase. So yeah, it will be good. So yeah, I'm actually planning a lot of stuff. So um, yeah, like that. So yeah, I'm actually very keen at the moment on how everything is. For me, I really want to make something good first, and yeah, that's it basically. Um, so yeah, I really want to learn more you know, about the game, and that's kind of why I'm not really an hasty guy with making things, but I'm a guy that take it easy and just do my thing and just learn it. A VIP, those are only meant for yeah, my old friends and good friends, and for people that deserve it, long time followers and that kind of things. So yeah. Let's name those. I kind of forgot one thing. Let's do that. I also need the hoovering one. You want an avatar for your group? Well, you need to have Nitro for that. Discord Nitro. That's it, basically. That is the thing, man. No, nothing yet. Um, oh yeah, people come and go. I don't mind. I'm just I'm just doing my thing, and if people like it, you know, hey, well, you know, I'm not very, you know, I'm not very. Hi, Taryn. How are you, man? Yes, you see me. Hey, great to hear that, man. I was just reading that sentence with an accent. I'm great. I'm great. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, no worries, man. I'm not running away. I kind of wonder why did I not do. No, I like that blue. Yeah, I like that blue. All right, let's go to the intro and let's go to the intro. Uh, text button greet intro and rich text color. I'm fine with that. Text direction fine by me. Text skilled. That will be fucking. That will be crazy. I don't actually do that. Although it is better for doing that. Text size 20, something like that. 20, 40. Thank you. I kind of like that. I don't use text skilled in that. And I want to have, where is my regular? And I'm going to use you don't want that you're doing that, man. I mean, let's do that here as well. No problem, man. I can always help something. Not really. I'm always helping everybody. I don't mind that. Button 1 versus 1. You have Desco. Hey, welcome, man. Welcome back, buddy. You need to look for Desco. You actually you will write it like this. That is a total free UI designer. You can make their images for free. And I actually I actually like that one. That one is quite good. $35. Known bugs. I love that. Is that nicely? Yes. Text skill? Yeah, I'm just, you know, my thing is, I will tell you actually why I do this. Um, I did it first with I could just show you, by the way. I did it. I did this on this one, and I'm kind of, everything need to be a little bit the same. You know what I'm saying? I I might even think to make here a change. so that I will make it more text when I say it like that. But I I just want to keep it the same range. Oh yeah, but I only do it for consoles. I do it only for consoles and PC. So it's not very scaling needed because if I be honest, like I said at the start of the stream, every guy on a console, they want a big screen. You know, I mean, they are just on a big screen. They're like, yeah, man, I like that. I want to play my game on a big screen, and even with PC gamers as well. I mean, they have really like, oh yeah, man, I see perfectly where I am. You know, I'm driving. You know, I've seen that too many times. That kind of stuff. It's kind of funny though. I mean, I had a few times that I was watching it and watching, yeah, some good streamers. I kind of forgot the name, but they were really like on a big screen. And this is kind of what I was seeing with playing. Okay, guys, I'm walking. Yes, I'm going that direction. Yes, and then with a gamepad, you know. Yes, I'm going there. Yes, yes, I will go. Yeah, man. All right, let's see. How many points do I have still? All right. You know, it's and that was on PC, and I kind of like, Jesus, man. I just have a small one, you know. I've seen it so many times on guys. That's nuts. That's just nuts. 2 versus 2. I've seen so many stuff lately. It's just crazy. Really crazy. So versus 2. I might want to do 3 versus 3, but I mean, it's kind of a common thing too. What? Yeah, man. Oh wow. I'm still learning, man. I'm actually learning. I'll be honest on that. I'm actually learning, and I truly say I say this honestly. I see a ton of things happening these days in gaming. I don't know what people are doing. I see a lot of stuff. You know, that's happening. Like, okay, man, let's make this. I want to have that in 1 week. I want to push it out the fast as possible. I want to make Robux. And I kind of like, man, I'm doing it for fun. I mean, come on. Where's the fun with being hasty? Uh, I don't want to be an asshole, but you know, I just want to have fun. You know, I mean, if I can earn money with that, hey, that will be great. But the first thing what I want is having a great time with developing and showing people having fun. You know, I think that's the most important thing. And I really mean that. Uh, as you see, I'm a very, very easy guy. 5 versus 5, and this is actually capture the flag. I'm actually making an FPS game with arena battling and that kind of stuff. People can actually fight each other. Like I said, uh, y- uh, you see actually what I have as game types. Um, so I have 1 versus 1, 2 versus 2, 4 versus 4, 5 versus 5, which is capture the flag. And I have Bazooka Frenzy. Bazooka Frenzy, just shooting with a bazooka. And that's it basically. But I am a guy. Not much. But I'm always learning. That's what I'm doing at the moment. Learning. I try to learn everything, but sometimes you need to say, okay, well, I don't know that. Oh, thanks, man. I can actually show around. I mean, I can actually do that. Let's disable this for a bit. Did I save it? No, let me disable this one for a bit. I can show you a little bit. Yeah, I I actually always do it myself because then I know that if I make a mistake, I can actually roll back. You know what I'm saying? So I had it last time, and I was really like, yeah, I'm actually doing that. I know autosave is there, but you know. So this is the lobby one. I have also a little game in here. Just going crazy. And I actually love the latest feature that you can actually move the skybox. I love that, man. Look at this place here. You see it moving. I actually love that. When I brought that in, I was like, yes! Thanks, man. And you know, those rocks, those are actually from the template. From Roblox itself. So basically, yeah, you can start area. This is where you can read who's the best player overall. I'm not touching this yet because I'm only aiming at the moment for these buttons. Later on, I'm just like, you know. A tree spark. That's this guy. Just an easy, cozy thing. And I actually made this bench here in game. And people are saying, "Hey man, your back is actually not touching the back," and I say then, "Well, people can have a lot of stuff as things where they can wear on the back. So I just made a little bit of space so it kind of fits in there. Uh, so I made it myself, this bench. So yeah, that's kind of nice and cool. Uh, yeah, yeah, I can actually switch with a controller like this. And if I disable it, you actually you see that. So so that's kind of what I do. I still need to go with more maps, of course. This is just a. I want to make with the launch. I want to make at least 2 or 3 one versus one maps. And on 2 versus 2, kind of 2 or 3. I think 3 the same. Um, and yes, a little garden with a fountain. And I was saying, I thought planting flowers was easy. I must be honest. And I placed the benches on the way that you actually can enjoy this one. Look at this. You can just relax. You can just watch it. That's kind of why I did it like this. Just enjoy it. A little bit water on the sides. I actually made it myself. So yeah, I mean, and a cool feature about this is, and I truly say this, I was not aiming for this. I was just making a place where people was teleporting to. But look at this. Look at this scenery with the leaves on top. You know, this looks actually beautiful. I actually love this. I cannot say this enough. I really love this view. And it was not even intentional. I will tell you that. So yeah, it's kind of nice. Let's go back to the leader to the start area because that make my life a little bit easier. I have a shop guy. You can actually, you cannot click it on. It's not yet done. So I actually need to work on that too. But let's dive into the toy box one. Oh, and a nice touch, guys, for the people that are watching this. Everything what you see in here, I made this all inside the game studio. I'm not a Blender guru, not at all, but I made everything here in a game studio. And yes, this little car, I made it here. And yep, even this little ugly dude. Hi, thanks, man. And the fun part is, if you are shooting, you can actually shoot the balls. So basically, yeah, you can a little bit be sneaky. So you can like, okay, let's do this. And then just go around and you just can hunt them down. Hey, thanks, man. So this is the first one. I and the teleport back is actually working. So and this is my next one is 4 versus 4, where I have I think 5 or 6 spawn points for each team. So you have a little bit of variety for spawn points. And believe it or not, this was actually what was happening there. This was actually my second map what I made in Roblox. What I knew about how to make stuff. You cannot jump. I'd actually disable that for this one. Kinda a difficulty. And I place things like that you cannot shoot across. So that is a nice thing. Why do I have 2 of those? All right. I need to check that one out. That's crazy. So yeah. This is my second attempt for making something. And yeah, I'm not really that bad with FPS design. It's only, not easy because you need to know that people can hide. That's also what I did with the trees. I placed those on the field like, okay, you can actually can hide. But the main thing will happen in here anyway. So yeah. And I must say, the next one where I go to now, yeah, I'm going to be honest. I'm actually proud on how I made that one. Also with help of a good friend of mine for making the capture the flag system work. So I'm really proud of this one. So this is basically your start thing, your lobby if you want to say it like that. All right. So this is the scoring part, and I have the mid lane. I have the tree lane, so you can go up in here, or you can go up over there. I have the ground lane. I want to say it like that. And for the people that are love soldier things, I have a real trench in here. So that's kind of cool. And yes, I placed everything that you actually have something to hide behind. That you can hide. So everything is really balanced on that way. And if you guys are wondering, is the scoring working? Yep, that's working. And I set it to 15 minutes, and people are saying, but that's too much. And I say, oh yeah, You have 10 people shooting. Um, you need to score first. Don't be shotted. I mean, you know, difficulty. So I'm really proud on this capture the flag design. I actually really love this. And yeah, like I said, yeah, you cannot shoot easy people. And the reason is I don't want to make it too easy because you really need to go around it. So you actually really need to work for it. So yeah. And hey, Foxel buddy. And yeah, Foxel was helping me too with this with these logs. Still thanking him for that. So yeah. My volume is pretty low. My volume? That's strange. Are you sure I did not touch anything? I did not touch anything. My voice is still the same like always. Thank you, Tarin, and thank you for being here, man. So yeah, guys, that's basically what I did so far in this game. So yeah, we love that. I actually love this stuff, but oh my lord. Like I said, people, warn me next time if yeah, thanks man. Thanks. Yeah, how I do things is I want to make a good game. Not looking, you know, too crazy if I want to say it like that. Just on a good way. Just making it a polished, if you want to say it like that. Is my is my mic really that low? Because I really did not change my settings. That's kind of weird. Do you have my volume lower? I mean, I thank you for your follow, Catboy Toucher. I appreciate that, man. I think there will be. Oh, jeez. No. Ah, I don't want to do that. Yikes. Yeah? That's strange. I can check something out, but let me see. Is it really that low, guys? For who is watching from everywhere? Because that is kind of crazy. How's the volume now? It is a little bit better. Not too loud. Because I don't want to have that. That's crazy. That's crazy. Because I didn't change anything, so I'm kind of like, what the hell? So I'm kind of surprised. Because I did not change anything. Ah. Yeah, then you hear it a little bit better than that. Nice, responsive, nice. I like that. Yeah, well, folks, I will tell you, it's only for console and stuff, so I'm not really bothered about that. If I'll be honest, it's not for mobile or tablet. That's that's the thing. Although I want that actually make something sense. Where's my other one there? Yeah, I actually need to do that. I actually need to do that. Because this one, I can actually add a constraint and, oh, wait. So, yeah. Oh, everything has that same thing. Everything is having it. What I might need to delete that. This can go. I might need to delete something over there. Um, I actually love what I'm doing in here, although the pain, guys. The pain. That will be actually the help. There will be the information, intro, known bugs, you know, little bit of explanation, what you do and that kind of things. Because you have always people. Oh wait, I forgot. Oh, my lord. Yeah, I was actually looking for that. I might want to do that as well. But I don't know how you do that. I don't know really how you do that. So I'm kind of looking for solutions, if you want to say it like that. Oh, okay. Yeah, I can actually work. I can do something with that. Yeah, no worries. It's actually not a bad idea, if I'll be honest. I uh, I actually supporting that idea. Believe it or not. Um, I also forgot something here. I actually have more stuff what I need to put in. I kind of forgot about a few things. There is a page one? No way. Really? Wait. Go away, man. Yeah? I don't need that. What? What? I didn't know. I didn't know you had that. Man. I really didn't know that. I really did not know that. The what? Huh? Yeah? Oh man, I didn't know that was there. Now I need to remake everything, I think. No. Oh man, I don't like that. Yeah, I mean, it's not really much that I change. The only thing what you do is you you see the intro when you come in, and you just go up and down, and you will see here the things. And when it is, yeah, I need to have a little code to change it. That's not really a big deal. Also, I have a little code in here. So the only thing what I need to do in here is changing that when you press on a D-pad on on your gamepad that you actually go to the other side. If there is, if you can, if you need to scroll down for reading, that's it basically. That's the only thing. So everything almost are gone. Oh man. It's okay. I will live. But I remind myself on that I still need to have a few buttons. Yep, I'm actually fucked if you want to say it like that. Page? Yeah, I have something in here. I got a selection. I mean, okay. I'm I'm just the thing is the stuff what I need to do is yeah, this is this is just the easy one. Yeah. I this goes really beyond me. I mean, I try to understand what I'm doing in here, but it's just, there is just so much stuff what you can do in here. But I need to adjust the height of the buttons, guys. Buttons need to be a little bit smaller. Just a little bit, not too much. Size. I know. Let's delete that one first. Hold on. Yeah, I did it wrong there, guys. I hate making mistakes. Uh, why is that one so small? Oh, he uses skill. All right. I was like, yes, I got a picture. Yes, I got something. Well, that's a. Oh, yeah. I use skilled in there. Okay. Oh, yeah. You know, I actually made on a teleport controller also something like this. Just a little code. I only don't need to teleport now. It's only selecting basically. And making parent with another frame. So when I select that button, it actually pop up that thing. That's it basically. I don't need to change anything besides that. I mean, that's how you read a guide. And when it is when you can scroll, then you can actually go to the page. So you can just press left or right. Then you just go to that page and just scroll down. So and then I actually need to set it that you can use your your gamepad and that kind of crap. So yeah. Uh Is it this one? No clue. Yep, that's the one. No, I said yeah, my god. I wonder sometimes what I'm doing here. What? That's crazy. Oh, okay. Like that. That's nuts. But, but, I got the right size right now. I don't really want to make it too small. Otherwise, well, you know what I tried to say there. And the good thing is, I learned from somebody, he's at a stream, that you actually can select everything. I said, so you don't need to do it on the rest of the stuff. Hey, hey. I do not forget those lessons easily. I kind of forgot about yeah, the currency lessons and that kind of things. I really forgot that. I was really forgotten about that. I will tell him, man. I was actually forgotten about those things. So those are kind of important stuff. Um. All right, I might need to move a few things. I don't want that. I don't want to do that. In a scroll frame? Is that a thing? I mean, I don't want to be an asshole, but is that really a thing? Oh, okay. Well, I must be honest, Fox, and um, I start to understand UI better and better while I'm working on it, and I can tell you guys, UI work is a pain in the ass. And for the skills, I'm actually doing it a lot more different than this one. Yeah. It is so much, Foxhole. I mean, this is just an easy thing. The only thing what I need to do here is when I go on that button, it will load up that frame. That's it. That's basically it. And when you can scroll, you can just go on there and just have fun, That's basically it. It's just crazy, man. How many stuff there is. That it's just crazy, man. Just crazy how many stuff there is. Just so many things, man. That would be cool. Can I? Can I do that? Is that the layout one? This? Whoa! What? What? Oh! Wow. Yeah, I don't really... Should I do that with scale? I mean, yeah, you said it basically do it with scale, but... It's better that... Okay. I don't really need much. I think 15. That's a lot better, man. Thank you. Thank you. I only need to order... I actually need to... Can I just change this? I actually need to go above. I don't know why it is coming there. Oh, that sucks. um... Click one of the buttons. A layout property? Zero is the top. Yeah, hold on. Let me copy. I need to rename it anyway. Point system. And I have another one, by the way. Currency system. I totally forgot about these. I totally forgot about that one. I totally forgot about that. I totally forgot about that. It's not numbug. I don't know how I'm going to call this. Point sys. Oh wait, I can actually make a system, I guess. Does it work? Make it a little bit smaller. I don't really mind that. I think 33 is enough. Yeah, that's okay. Point system will be really small, so I will put that to 30. I don't want to do that, but currency system. Almost. I think it is 25, by the way. Nah, I can make it bigger. Yes! No. 7. Yeah. Yeah, I can live with that. I don't really mind that. It is what it is. I mean, I have also Bazooka Frenzy thing, so. Long names, I hate those. So, known bugs. This is actually number 2. Known bugs. Okay, I need to go on the layout order. This is 1. Point system is 2. 3. You know how my naming is, buddy. I'm very good with naming things. That can actually be a main. And basically with point and currency, with winning, you can actually if you win, you get a certain amount. And then with losing, you get less. Basically, how that works. Where was I? 1, 2, 3. Yes, that's correct. Bloody hell. 3, 4. 5. 6. Yeah, I'm just finding out how I got to name them. Because, oh, man. Man, I must say I'm quite happy with that. You mean like this? Yeah, I can. Yeah, okay. I'm probably going to have a system for that. That's correct, man. Oh, you mean it like? Oh shit! Yeah, I'm really sleepy. Yeah. You know what? I actually support that. That's a good idea. I actually support this. I like your thinking, man. I really like your thinking. I like it. The only thing what I don't like now is I might need to make a bigger button for making a next line. But Bazooka Frenzy is actually in game mode. So that will be the only one that has yeah, has that. No, at this point I think I covered everything basically. I guess I think um I might have I might have a 9 button thing. Um is about how the round system work, the rounds, how that works. But at the moment, this fine. I can edit. I can easily do it there, but let's put this away for a bit. I kind of like. I must say, I kind of put a little bit more in there, but if I just need to scroll for just for one thing, you know what I'm saying? Well, it can fit. It actually can fit, but uh, I don't know how I need to call that. No, this is the ninth one. Text currency? No, 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 no. Oh. Wrong. Works. Shh. That's too big. Rounds. Oh, yeah. You see, my head is not really thinking. Rounds. My head is straight, I see. Where's my layout order? Layout order, where are you, man? A scope from. I need to have that on 9. I would tell you, this fits perfectly, man. I didn't really know about the list layout. I must be honest. Let me see that I can squeeze a little bit of space in there. Perfect. This is perfect. Okay. Yeah, I'm actually a guy that well, that want to do that for myself. If you know what I'm saying. But that looks actually good, this. Oh my god, guys. Only I don't like this. I had it better. Virtual flex? That sounds kind of familiar. Space flex. Okay, something is messing up now again. I don't really need this there. I don't know what happened there, but I didn't have that issue. Oh wait, I had the freaking scale in there. Oh wait, hold on. Yep, that's what I thought. But now I think I actually messed it up. That was crazy. He was not doing that a second ago. That was weird. That is weird. That's kind of weird. Oh well. Something to fix next time, I guess. But then I need to see how I'm going to do this. But that will be good. I'm still thinking, how did I do this? Oh, wait, hold on. I think I know. Um, there was something. But I cannot I only did the not the scaling one. I did only the constraint. So that is kind of weird. Huh. That was kind of weird, man. I don't know what happened there. Because on my other one, I did not change anything. So Can I not copy the settings of that one to there? Is there a way? That will be nice. I missed that thing in here, that you can copy the settings. That will be awesome. Found it. I might be a crazy guy, but I know where I can find my stuff. I was already thinking, what the hell, man? Yeah, that's correct. Sort of. Yeah, that works. Found it. Got my stuff back. Oh my lord. I was already thinking, did I mess something up? So, Friday we're going to work more on this. Definitely. And then I need to make something to work with this. Also, yeah, I need to make something that actually is going to work. That sounds double. But everything will be fine. Now I'm already glad that this had already a Hoover on it. So I don't really need to do that. So that's quite good, I think. But my lord, guys, if I do UI again, please warn me. I didn't know that you actually have a ton of things that you can do. But yeah, it was a nice stream, guys. I definitely loved this. I had actually really a fun time in this. Not only talking with people, but also, yeah, learning new things. And yeah, and I like that. So that's good. So, yeah, for testing, I actually want to make first my UI to work so that everything work where like it intended to. Um, so that's kind of what I need to do. I also need to think of how I'm going to do the skill things, because that will be a task what is not going to be easy. Not at all. Also, I need to make some information files in there for everything. So if you select that, then it contains that number, so they can actually read that. So that's kind of what I need to think of, because if you have a certain set of numbers, then yeah, it's actually going to be yeah, then you will be balanced. So there are a lot of things what I need to think of that, and also what skills I'm going to do. I'm still writing a ton of standard stuff down. Um, so yeah, it's very interesting, and yeah, it is coming together. It's only it takes time, and we have plenty of time. At least I have, but so I see just one thing though. I cannot live with that. So I cannot live with that. I need to do something in here. Hold on. Uh, with rock stars, well, I don't need to have a rock star for making it shine. I only need to have a napkin and some polish stuff that I can rub on. I work for myself. I do my own game at the moment. I work for not anything yet. If I do other stuff, I kind of forget my own work, and let's not do that. I always help people. I actually help people here on the stream. So that's it. That's kind of what I'm doing. Sometimes it goes good, sometimes it goes bad. Not yet. Not yet. I believe it or not, I'm actually still learning. I'm still a beginner. Believe it or not. So before I take that option for taking commissions, yeah, I want to improve my work speed and the knowledge first. Building is my thing. I love building stuff. Yeah, I like building stuff. That's my niche. I like building stuff. But I also want to learn UI making because I want to understand how that works as well. You know, that you can do certain things as well. Um so yeah. Well, Foxy is describing probably a whole new game. A team menu. Okay. Interesting. Yep, combined with the data storage, with the teams, you can sort it out easily. Those stars is a link. Um, yeah, yeah. So, well, guys, I will end the stream here for a bit because I'm getting tired and it's getting to midnight. But yeah, guys. Thank you actually for watching me for me, and it was really a blast. Yeah, feel free to be on my Discord, buddy. You all feel free. Yeah, feel free to do that, man. I have kind of a nice organized Discord server, so no worries. So yeah, guys, like I said, thank you. Yeah, great stream. Yeah. I think we said that 5 minutes or 10 minutes ago, but hey guys, really thanking for watching, man. Really a nice chat. Nice to see new faces, by the way, on the stream. So thank you for that, by the way. I like that. And I see you Friday with another stream for Roblox Studio. Tomorrow, I have really a busy day with work, so I probably will not stream then. But Friday, with my schedule, I'm definitely will stream. So I will see you then with another Roblox stream. And I say all the time, be chill, be relaxed, and always be yourself, whatever you do in your life. And I will say, have a great day. Goodbye, and I see you Friday. Yes, you there. I see you sitting there. I see you smiling. I see you Friday. Bye bye. Goodbye.